When installing your Maxi-Cosi Mico XP or Mico XP Max without the base in your vehicle, you're going to want to place it on your vehicle seat and make sure that you're parked on a level surface. Then you're going to want to locate the level to ground line, which is on either side of the car seat shell. And you're going to make sure that your shell is level to ground with the ground, not your vehicle. Once you feel that you have it in a good level position, you're going to want to make sure that your carry handle is in the upright position. That's a must when installing in the vehicle. And then you're going to begin to route the vehicle seat belt through these belt guides on the shell and just the lap portion of the lap and shoulder belt. And then you're going to click it into the seat belt on the opposite side. Then you need to switch over your seatbelt retractor by pulling out the seatbelt all the way till you hear a click, and then begin to let it retract back in. Once you've done that, you can start to take the slack out of the belt and work towards a tight installation. The entire time ensuring that you're maintaining the level to ground line that you originally had. So continue to remove the slack and check your level to ground line until you feel you have a secure seat installation. To check, you're going to grab at the seat bite and wiggle back and forth. As long as you're not moving more than 1 inch, you have a tight installation and you're ready to travel.